In this first intriguing Ring doorbell footage, we witness a young boy with an air of mischief as he slyly approaches someone's door under the shroud of night. With a hint of style, he maneuvers towards the door, and the situation takes an unexpected turn as he forcefully kicks the door open. The mystery unfolds as he swiftly makes his escape, leaving us to ponder the motives behind this daring act.
Go in the back room. Go in the back room now.
Who did that?
I don't know.
In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, a man ominously approaches someone's door, clutching a knife in his hand. Thanks to the keen eye of the vigilant homeowner and the watchful lens of the doorbell camera, a potentially dangerous situation unfolds in real time. Witness the bravery of the homeowner as they promptly intervene, stepping towards the door to thwart the impending threat.
Hey, back up. Listen, back up. Have a good day. Back up. Back up. Get off my credit. Back up.
Sir, I did. You have a gun with you?
In this tense Ring doorbell footage, a man brazenly standing at someone's front door, attempting to open it without a care in the world. The homeowner, however, remains composed, watching every move through the lens of their doorbell camera. The situation takes an unexpected turn when the intruder engages in a mysterious mobile phone call, adding an extra layer of intrigue. The homeowner, ever vigilant, decides to intervene, informing the stranger that they have the wrong place. Yet, a sense of unease lingers as the homeowner wisely refrains from opening the door or stepping outside, leaving the true intentions of the mysterious visitor shrouded in mystery.
It's Diamond, hey. I'm here. What do you mean, where? Alright.
You.
Yo, what's up, bro? It's Diamond.
You must got the wrong crib, bro.
You tripping. Yeah, you tripping. This the wrong crib?
Who you looking for?
Jen, Ash, you name it.
Yeah, bro, you got the wrong crib, bro.
Alright, bet. Bet on my mama, you gonna lose your life tomorrow, bro. I'ma see you, Cannon. That thing is tripping. You won't lose your life, Cannon. Yes, sir.
In this heart-pounding Ring doorbell footage, under the cover of night, a high-stakes chase unfolds as police officers pursue two individuals. The tension peaks as the pursued duo, desperate to evade capture, make a daring move, leaping over someone's fence. In a surprising turn of events, the relentless police officers refuse to be deterred, following suit by scaling the fence with impressive agility. The cat-and-mouse game takes an unexpected twist, revealing the determination of law enforcement to ensure justice is served. In this chilling Ring doorbell sequence, a group of hooded, masked men orchestrating a daring break-in at someone's house. Under the cover of darkness, they stealthily enter, making off with a trove of valuable items. Unbeknownst to them, every move is meticulously documented by the ever-watchful eye of a doorbell camera. The audacity of these intruders reaches new heights as they return for a second visit in the same night, systematically emptying the house and loading their car with the ill-gotten gains. Little do they realize that their every action is captured, setting the stage for a suspenseful unraveling of their misdeeds. In this tense Ring doorbell sequence, under the cloak of night, as a would-be intruder attempts to breach the sanctity of someone's home, convinced that the homeowner is fast asleep. Little does the intruder know, a silent guardian is at work. The courageous homeowner, aware of the impending danger, deftly calls the police without alerting the trespasser. As the tension builds, the intruder's plans take an unexpected turn when law enforcement arrives swiftly on the scene, apprehending the would-be burglar.
Alright, well, come talk to you in a second. 132. Do you see anybody else?
In this nocturnal escapade Ring doorbell sequence, a group of individuals, shrouded by the cover of night, embarks on a mission of mischief. Two of them strategically step out of their car, leaving the driver inside ready for a rapid escape. Armed with a stone, they unleash havoc by smashing the glass of someone's vehicle and breaking the door. The calculated precision of their actions is evident as they swiftly retreat to their waiting car, making a quick getaway after accomplishing their disruptive mission. In this heart of a brazen Ring doorbell sequence, two masked figures emerge, approaching a parked car right in front of its owner's home. In a chilling display, they wield axes with malicious intent, ruthlessly vandalizing the vehicle. The audacity of their actions unfolds quickly before they make a swift and calculated escape, leaving behind a trail of destruction. In this unusual Ring doorbell scene, a young lady stealthily navigates around someone's house without an invitation. Clutching a pen and paper, she maintains an air of mystery, feigning concentration on her notes with a strange expression on her face. The homeowners, curious and concerned, step out to confront her, questioning her presence on their property.
Get out of here! Go!
The women left the porch, giving us a sigh of relief. What do you guys think the lady is up to? Share your thoughts in the comments.
In this sense of unease Ring doorbell scene, a young stranger, with an air of suspicion, lingers at someone's front door. Seemingly undeterred, he repeatedly presses the doorbell and peeks through the window, possibly checking if the homeowner is present. Unbeknownst to him, the homeowner has taken swift action, calling the police. As the tension builds, law enforcement arrives on the scene, apprehending the intruder. In this caution and curiosity Ring doorbell scene, a man approaching someone's front door with a purpose known only to him. Pressing the doorbell, he waits with anticipation for the homeowner's response. The vigilant homeowner, prioritizing safety, intervenes, questioning the stranger about the purpose of his visit. As the stranger begins to explain, the homeowner, exercising prudent judgment, refrains from opening the door.
I don't want to die.
Okay.
Thank you.
Why did I ask you to do?
Son, what are you doing over here? I was trying to see if you were gonna...
In this nocturnal visit Ring doorbell clip, a lady arrives, seemingly assessing the situation by quickly checking if the door is unlocked. Undeterred, she attempts to peer through the window, perhaps searching for alternative access. However, faced with an unsuccessful attempt, she decides discretion is the better part of valor and chooses to walk away.
Hey.
In this tense Ring doorbell clip, a drunk stranger stumbles upon someone's front door. With impaired judgment, he attempts to open the door and engages in a disjointed conversation with himself. The homeowner, alerted by the commotion, may find themselves in a perplexing situation.
What do you want?
Turn it off.
What do you want?
Turn it off. There's gonna be
Better go away.
people here.
Better go away.
I'm gonna be here no matter what.
What?
I'm gonna be here no matter what.
How about if I get a gun? You want to see that?
I don't care,
Get the out of here.
bro.
Get the out of here.
Bro! You tell me. You tell me. You got me right here. You got it. You got it. I am. Probably. You.
The person who owns the house is smart and calls the police. The police come super quick and take the drunk guy away to keep everyone safe.
In this intriguing Ring doorbell clip, a man casually strolls in front of someone's house, initially appearing to be a passerby. Suddenly, he takes an unexpected turn, skillfully ascending a nearby coconut tree. His covert mission becomes clear as he expertly removes the streetlight that illuminates the area at night.
Yo, get the away from my light, you fucking idiot. Piece of shit.
In this suspenseful Ring doorbell clip, the cloak of night becomes the backdrop for an encounter with a porch pirate. As this intruder searches someone's porch for valuable items, the vigilant homeowner swiftly intervenes, catching the thief in the act. A brief but intense standoff ensues as the intruder, realizing their plan has been foiled, makes a hasty escape into the night.
Alright, son.
Get out!
Stop.
Get out! What the hell are you doing? Get out of the house! Get out of here right now! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
In this daring maneuvering Ring doorbell clip, in the dead of night, a shadowy figure quietly makes off with an electric bike parked by the homeowner. The scene unfolds in near silence, showcasing the audacity of the thief. In this nocturnal larceny Ring doorbell clip, a man is spotted stealing the decoration lights right in front of someone's home. The glow of the stolen lights fades as the thief makes a quick escape into the shadows. As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.